Franklin's fan base is not so huge in Nigeria, considering the fact that a significant proportion of the Nigerian population had actually not been born during her prime in the music industry. But those who love her music here and have followed her over the years say she would be greatly missed. And one thing they just can't stop talking about is her voice.
I believe she was the best voice of the 20th century. She could go low, she could go high, she could go really high. Her pitch, her range was very wide. Her lyrics were everything. So her songs, them Dolly Parton and co, their music is more than just music for music's sake. They had messages, they had, the songs were really useful. I mean, think about Chain of Fools, chain, 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 chain of fools. Car Wash, Respect, which is the anthem from then and is still the anthem now, RESPECT. Songs like, well, I'm willing to forgive, but I just can't forget.
My mom has a bias for soul music, so I guess that's probably why, within the, environment where I grew up, at home, we were forced, I and my siblings, to always hear that. So that's why I know her. And that, because I'd always ask, okay, so who is this person? And then, she mentions, oh, Aretha Franklin. Yeah, and, and that's why when I heard about her demise, I was like, oh, yeah, like, I know this lady, and, like, I know I've heard some of her songs. And, I talked to my mom about it, and she was like, yeah, she heard as well. And it's just quite a pity that she's now no more.
Now, even Nigerian music artists have been paying tribute to Aretha on their social media pages. Popular Afro-pop singer Tiwa Savage on her Instagram page simply wrote, "Rest in peace, Queen Aretha Franklin." Asha, another popular female singer, wrote, "Queen, rest well." And then this one from yet another singer, Waje, who has been described as a lady with a voice like Aretha Franklin. She wrote, "My queen, thank you for blessing me with your gift. You will never be forgotten. Sadly, I never got the chance to meet you." So not overwhelming tribute from this part of the world on the passing of this great woman, but her passionate fans here say they will miss her a lot. And here are some of her fans trying out some of Aretha's famous lyrics. Don't mind their voices though.
You make me feel like a natural woman. Boy, I'm willing to forgive you, but I can't forget. Because you really, 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 really hurt me this time. And I know that I can go on, but I must admit.
Deji Badmus, CGTN, Lagos, Nigeria.